For the CS Fair redesign project, I decided to make a fixed layout, 960 pixels, just because I didn't have a lot of time, um, and I didn't have any group members. Since the fluid layout would take a lot longer to kind of get just right, and since there's a lot of information on the main page, I tried to format the information so that it would take up less space, so the user would scroll less. So for different projects, we decided to just kind of create a float and have three per line or three columns per line, and then just change the color of the headings. And then as for the judging, that was kind of the hardest part, trying to figure out how to edit it so it didn't take up a lot of room. And I kind of decided again, just kind of create a float, three per row, and then just have three columns. And then I decided, since I wanted them to be equal in size and height and width, I decided just to have a little scroll bar to scroll through the information. And I feel like, it turned out okay, but maybe if I had more time, I could perhaps create kind of a slider where I could kind of click between different judges, or create like a drop down menu and maybe click which judge I'd want to look at, just so to take up less room. And as for the sponsors section, I just tried to make it so that the different logos would take up as little room as possible, and try to align them so they kind of looked more clean. And as far as I can see, I think it turned out pretty well, and I kind of added a little effect when you hover over them to see that they are clickable, and then it'll just go to the website. And then at the bottom, since becoming a sponsor is important, I decided just to make a big button. But overall, I think the website, with the time given and the little help I had, I feel like it turned out pretty well.